Hello. Hey guys, welcome to Notary Life with Kimmy. I'm Kimmy. Well, today I want to talk about some situations when it's going to call for you to be compassionate in your notary business. And you may say, well, Kimmy, this is a notary channel. Well, I got to learn to be compassionate. I'm not a doctor. I'm not a nurse. No, but there are going to be several situations that you will encounter doing your notary business and doing your notarial duties where it's going to call for you to be extra kind, compassionate, and empathetic. And for those of you who do not know what the word empathy means, it means to have fellow feeling or to put yourself in the other person's shoes, okay? So this is so important because if you are empathetic, kind, and able to relate to people, it's going to help your business to grow, and that's what we're all about. So the first scenario is if you have a patient that is in hospice, in a nursing home or hospital setting. These patients and clients tend to be ill, so their patient level may not be the best. They may be kind of rushing you or irritated with their family members. So you have to know how to diffuse the situation. You don't equally want to match their energy because they're not feeling well most of the time, right? Another situation could be a divorce setting. Your clients are filling out divorce papers, or they bring notarizations that are required for divorce documents to you, and they're at odds. They're fighting. You know, he's snatching stuff from her. She's snatching stuff from him. She rolling her neck. Or it could even be the reverse. They're both crying. He's crying. She's crying. We had a situation where one time they didn't sign together. The husband signed it one time. The wife signed it another. And as she signed that last document, she was crying because her marriage was falling apart. Her family was being affected. So imagine us just rushing in, trying to sign the paperwork. Okay, give me my money. No, you need to take a little time. I'm so sorry. So how I usually end divorce signings is just something like, I wish you both the best if they're both there. Or even if it's just one of the people, okay? Also, whenever you're dealing with, we already talked about nursing homes, hospitals, divorce signings, sometimes even with immigration documents. People are super emotional because they want to make sure and are kind of charged up because they want to make sure that documents are notarized correctly when they're dealing with their home, mortgages, loan modifications. You know, perhaps the first notary didn't do it correctly, which is a lot of instances, guys. That's why you always hear us talk about having the proper notarization training. You have to know how to properly notarize. All roads lead back to notarization. And I've had many clients that they started out with an attitude with me because I was a second notary or following up on something someone else had did incorrectly. So if you have not taken Notarize Like a Pro, that may be where you need to start so you know how to properly notarize. Our mentorship program is going on. So for all things notary, check out notaryeducatorsllc.com. If you're just now starting out your business, you also may want to check out the Start Your Notary Business book. I wrote one for all 50 states, so there is one for your state also. But again, just knowing how to be compassionate, going the extra mile, and being kind to your clients goes a long way. Okay, and those are just a few of the scenarios when you may have to. And I'll just recap really quick. That's if you have a divorce signing, if you have a will signing, if you have a power of attorney signing and the person is at the hospital, or someone that's in jail. They may be cranky and irritated because of their circumstance, right? So always put yourself in the other person's shoes, and not only will your business grow, but you'll sleep well at night knowing that you helped the other person. Well, until next time, guys, this is a notary tip from Notary Life with Kimmy. Bye.